This is the first time I'm filming since I've had my hair done. It feels so good to have my hair done. I got it trimmed and it was toned, and once we are out of lockdown again, I will get it lighter, more blonde because I love blonde. But there's something I want to mention. We are under lockdown again. I am from Canada. I am in Ontario. We are under a lockdown. If you watch my Project Pan video, I did mention that for my eyebrow pencil that I'm trying to finish, I was making good progress, but now that I'm able to get my eyebrows done, the progress is going to be slower. But we're under lockdown for a month, so I'm assuming that the eyebrow pencil will probably be done soon. But we're not here to talk about that today. We are here to talk about the Empties that I used up in the month of March. And I am so excited to share these with you because I honestly don't have much. I really don't. I didn't use up a lot, but I used up big products, like staple products, everyday products, hair care, skincare, and lifestyle. And I am so excited because I can finally roll these out and roll new things into my everyday routine. So let's get into the products that I finished up in March. I always want to say April. The very first item is actually the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. This is from Nature Lab. I got this in a FabFitFun box and I love this hair mask. I really like it. I find with hair masks, they can be too thick sometimes. They can wear my hair down. They don't do anything. Not this one. This one actually works. This one actually does something. I kept a little bit in here so I could remember to mention that it smells so good. So just clean, so just fresh. It's not too strong of a scent, which is nice. It just smells so good. I also like how it is a thicker mask, so you're able to apply it on like the roots all the way down to your ends, and it doesn't weigh your hair down. Like, you can really rinse it out. It makes a big difference. My hair is always so much softer, it's shinier, it feels good, it looks good. This is a mask that actually does something, and I really like that. So if this mask was something that I would be able to pick up at Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, Sephora, I would pick it up again for sure. If you're able to pick this mask up, I would highly recommend it, especially if you have dry hair. This just works so well. I really liked it, really enjoyed it, and I'm sad to see this go, but I will actually use up this little bit in here. It's probably not going to do much, but I do want to just use that little bit up. So let's get into skincare. I have two skincare items that I was able to finish up in the month of March. And the first one we're going to talk about is the Clinique Pep Start 2-in-1 Exfoliating Cleanser. Since I've taken this out of my routine, I've actually noticed that it's been out of my routine. And I do want to incorporate a exfoliator in my routine. I did a dedicated review on this, so if you want to know my full thoughts on it, go check that video out. But I do enjoy this. Is this something that I feel like I need to go replace because it's empty? No, but I do feel like if it was ever on sale, like a good sale, like I'm talking like half off, or if I was able to get like a bundle, like a skincare kit, and it was in there, or a free mini size, I would get it then. But I don't feel like I personally need to go out and get it just because I feel like I don't need to use this cleanser every single day. But I can use it every single day because it is gentle on my face. It does clean very well. And I do really enjoy it. It lasts a very long time, like a really long time. If you like exfoliators and you're looking for something that you can use every day that's going to last a long time, this one works really well. Now, one thing I do want to mention that I didn't mention in the other video was I believe this has bamboo beads in it, so it's not like a walnut shell. So I feel like this is a little bit better for your face than a walnut shell scrub would be. Like I was saying, this is really nice. I can use it every day, but I don't feel like I have to. Like, there are days where I just want to go in quickly with a nice just cleanser, clean my face, moisturize, eye cream, done. I don't feel like dealing with all the like exfoliating beads on my face. So this one here, it's good. You may see it again because I did really enjoy it, but it's not something I'm like gonna go out of my way for and replace because it's not something I need to use every single day. The next item is actually the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser. This is the foaming formula. And what I do want to say is They have two different formulas, one that's fragrance free and one that's fragrance. And they say that this is developed for sensitive skin, and I just find it odd that they would put fragrance in one when it's developed for sensitive skin. Now, maybe the other one is also, but if you have sensitive skin, I would just go for the one without fragrance because it may be a little bit less irritating. This was not irritating though. This is just a basic cleanser. Like when I mean basic, I mean if you just want to wake up in the morning and just use some soap to wash your face, you might as well just use this. It's not irritating, it doesn't break you out. A little goes a long way. This actually lasts a really long time. My boyfriend and I use this, and I think it took us about 6 months to actually use it up. He would use it morning and night. I would use it maybe once a day. He definitely used it a lot more than I did. I didn't use this as much as him, but I did use it when I wanted a basic and gentle cleanser, and this worked really well. So for myself personally, if I ever seen this go on sale, I would pick it up because it worked really well and it lasted a really long time. I don't think that this was too expensive, but I remember only picking it up because it was on sale. So I think if it was on sale, I would pick it up again for sure because it actually worked. It cleaned my face nice. My face felt good after. It was a nice basic cleanser from the drugstore. Now let's talk about lifestyle products. I have 3 lifestyle products. The first one here is actually a Compliments hand soap. This is just a hand soap. I personally don't go out of my way for fancy hand soaps, anything special. If we run out of hand soap, wherever I go next, Walmart, the dollar store, Shoppers Drug Mart, wherever I go next, I just pick up a hand soap. The only hand soaps that I actually specifically really like and enjoy is the soft soap hand soap. I like to get them in the big like containers of them and then just refill my soap dispensers. The brown sugar and vanilla, I believe that's the one, is so good. The other hand soaps I like are actually from Bath and Body Works, but those can be expensive. So I typically ask for those as gifts just because I like them. But they're a little bit expensive sometimes and I don't go out of my way to get them. So if someone wants to get me a gift, I mean, that's a nice gift, a nice hand soap. It's not something I buy for myself, but it's something I enjoy. So anyway, not much to say about this. It worked, it cleaned my hands nice. This did last a really long time like most hand soaps do. It was good. I would get it again. The next item is actually going to be a Live Clean hand sanitizer. Not much to say about this again. I used up a few hand sanitizers last year. They were mini bottles and then a bigger bottle. This year so far I've used up a bigger bottle and now this one, which is great. I'm actually working on another one. I always like to include hand sanitizers in here. This way we can remind everybody to continue to wear masks, to continue to sanitize, and not to travel if you don't have to. So anyway, this one was good. It did not smell bad. It was not sticky. It was not like greasy or anything like that. And I liked how it had a pump. I'm gonna keep this actually in case I ever have one that isn't a pump. But yeah, this was really nice. It had aloe. It didn't dry my hands out. It was good. I am saving the worst for last. I very rarely have cleaning products or household products that I really don't like. I'll typically just use them up and then just not buy them again. I actually struggled to use these, and I did not like them. And every single time I use these, I would always say, I hate these, I hate these, I hate these. I paid $7 for these. These are the All Clean Natural Wipes. They are disinfecting peroxide wipes with 3% hydrogen peroxide, comes with 90 wipes, and they are fragrance free. I just thought, okay, $7, that's not too bad. I'm gonna have them for a long time. Peroxide, great, it's not anything too strong. Oh no. Okay, these smelled awful. If you have smelled peroxide before, this smells straight up like peroxide. And I knew it was gonna smell like it, but I'm telling you, it is not a pleasant scent to use to wipe down, let's say, your countertops or your groceries, or to wipe down a pop can if you're trying to have a pop out and about. Don't get these. Don't get these. Don't get these. You would, like, they're a no. They're a definite no from me. Even if these were at the dollar store for $1, I would not buy them. I don't like them. They're not worth the money. They also leave a lot of like white residue left over. After I hold the wipe, there's so much white residue on my hand. where if I go and wash my hands after, it still doesn't come off and the scent is still there. I don't like them. They're not good. The first 10 wipes, I just thought, okay, I'll just use them. The remaining 80 wipes, every time I use them, I always mention how bad they were. I'm never gonna buy them. They're gross. Didn't like them. So finally I'm done them, but once I finished the wipes, I had about this much of like liquid left, and typically what I'll do with the liquid is I'll use it as like a cleaner just to, you know, not waste it. I couldn't even do that with this. This was bad. This was not good. I would not recommend it at all. So that is everything. Those are all of my empties. Those are all the products that I used in the month of March. I have quite a few actually that are already emptied in April, and I know that there will be more in April, so make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when I upload my next empties video, because it's going to be a big one and I'm really excited. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you have not. Ring the bell to be notified when I upload next, and leave me a comment saying hi. I always love to say hi to all of you, and I'll see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.